Hey guys, welcome back to Over the Table. I'm Joey, and for today we're going to be doing a quick little trick shot, I guess you could say. I'm going to be using this blowgun in order to shoot a dart through this fidget spinner. So it's a very difficult feat. I'm not sure if it can happen. It's supposed to go right through one of these holes while it's spinning. Could be a very cool shot. We'll see. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button now. Stay tuned for future videos. Let's get started. Alright guys, now to set up this target here, we've got our fidget spinner and a foam block as a background. To glue it on, I'm going to use this glue gun that I reviewed in another video. It's very budget friendly, so you can go ahead and check that out. So basically, you don't want your glue to be too hot, but just hot enough, because if it's too hot, it'll start melting the foam, and you don't want that to happen. We'll go ahead and set it on there, press it in place, be nice and center. It should spin freely, and we'll give it a second to dry in place there. So we got ourselves a nice target. Alright guys, so this is the setup here. You can see the fidget spinner is going to be centered in that styrofoam block. Now you can see how small these holes are in the fidget spinner. And what I'm going to be trying to do is get this dart to go right through one of these holes while it's spinning. Now that's not an easy task. It may take a while, but I think I'm going to do it, and I'm going to give it a try. Alright guys, attempt number one. That's no lie, no joke. This is actually attempt number one. Loading up our first dart into our blowgun here. Alright. So let's give this thing a go. Dang, that was close. Went right in between two of them. Had I gotten the timing right, that would have went straight to the center of that circle. So that was a pretty darn good first attempt. If I can get the timing right, that dart's gonna go in. Yeah. Huh. What on earth just happened? Dart's spinning around with it. How close were we? Ah, man. I was maybe a ½ inch off from perfection. Just didn't get it. Was that it? Oh my God! It worked! Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. Look at that shot. Holy crap. Let me just look at this. Boom. Let's focus in on that. Boom. Right in between. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, as you can see, it did end up working, but not without plenty of failures. This fidget spinner has been really messed up. It broke off a chunk there. It broke off this, so that way that's loose. This other one's loose here. It's got a bunch of little dents from the darts in it, but it did work, and it did work really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button for such a great trick shot. Subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss out on any future videos. Have a great day, and don't get shot.